In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PDF in Claude. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a fresh chat, write a clear request that tells Claude to design a one-page PDF, and submit it so you get a clean, beginner-friendly result. First, open Claude and look for the Create button. It's the place to start a brand new conversation with a blank slate. Click it to give Claude a clear context just for this task. A fresh chat helps keep your instructions focused, so the model understands that the goal is a single, well-structured PDF. Next, craft a strong prompt. The key is to be specific about the format, the audience, and the layout you want. Tell Claude that you want a one-page PDF. Ask for simple language. Define the sections you need, and mention any visual hints that will make the page easy to scan. For example, you can type something like, create a simple, clean infographic about how the internet works for a one-page PDF. Use very easy words for beginners and organize it into short sections with clear titles. Include a brief intro, step-by-step parts covering typing a website, DNS, servers, data transfer, and loading the page, and add a simple analogy like sending a letter. Keep explanations short, and suggest small icons to match each section. Make the layout clear, readable, and visually engaging. This kind of prompt works well because it sets the structure up front. You're telling Claude the audience level, the content flow, the visual tone, and the format in a single message. If you already know the exact headings you want, include them right in the prompt. If you prefer Claude to propose headings and icon ideas, just say so. Either way, the more precise your request, the more polished the output will be. Once your prompt looks good, click Submit. Claude will generate the content for your one-pager and often suggest a layout that translates cleanly into a PDF. Give it a quick read to confirm the sections are short, the titles are clear, and the analogy makes sense for beginners. If a part feels too technical, reply in the same chat asking for simpler wording or tighter phrasing. Small, direct follow-ups like make the DNS part even simpler or keep each section to 2 lines help Claude refine the page without changing your overall structure. That's it. You've started a new chat, given a precise prompt for a one-page PDF, and submitted it to generate a clean, beginner-friendly infographic. Try this same approach with other topics, and enjoy producing crisp, readable PDFs with Claude.